Hi everybody, so here is a short video showing the strange behavior of this GGI motion controller when connected with an USB cord to the PC here. So it is shown as a joystick, as you can see here, but this joystick has a very strange behavior. If I move the pitch angle, you can see that the cross here is moving in this diagonal. If I roll the stick, it's moving more or less on the other diagonal, meaning that X and Y axis are completely coupled. Now if I rotate on the vertical direction, you can see that the Rx is moving, and when I go there, look, it's jumping from max to 0. In fact, this behavior is normal regarding to the fact that this is an IMU, and it is delivering with the joystick interface, not the rotation frame of this joystick, but the position of this frame compared to the fixed Earth frame, north, west, and center of the Earth. So what I have done for this to work is that I have used UCR, which is the Universal Control Remapper, and I have developed a small plugin that we can see here. So this plugin is there. It's a DJI motion controller plugin allowing to remap the X, Y, Z, Rx, Ry of my joystick, the current one, the real DJI one, to something else, which is here, yaw, pitch, and roll motion. That means that the plugin is computing all the rotation needed to go from the fixed reference frame to this one. If I do this and launch this plugin here, then you will see something interesting. A new controller is popping up. This one. I will close this one and go to the wireless controller. And now we have a much cleaner behavior. If I pitch it, it's going here on the vertical side. If I roll it, you have the Z-axis, which is showing the roll. If I rotate it, nothing happens. I have to trigger the rotation with this button to a fixed cap. Here it is. And now the yaw is following my motion. If I push this button down, the yaw is again centered and there is no yawing. Throttle also is working. And so we have now a controller which should be recognized by any simulator. If I run Phoenix, here it is. It is launching, saying that there are some updates, but I don't want anything to be done. And now you have the control of your plane with the stick. You can notice that it is very, very, very smooth, and it is running very well. If I want to engage the yaw, here it is, and the plane is yawing. Piloting with this controller is fairly simple. And it is very, very pleasant. So I have updated my Hackaday project, whose link is into the description, in order for you to download this plugin and use your DJI controller when you want. Totally free. And use this controller as a regular joystick. Crashing. So don't forget to select the wireless controller. You can go to the Advanced tab here and say, and say that this controller, which is the wireless one, is your default joystick. When doing this, it will be automatically shown at the first position, so that the CMMU for launching Phoenix will put it in the first place, and you have just to make the run Phoenix, and that's it. I hope that you enjoy this project. If you want to use the DJI Motion Controller plugin, what you have to do is to download it from my GitHub page. Go into the installation of UCR, which is here. Go into the plugin folder here and replace the original ucr.plugins.dll by the one which is provided on my GitHub page, and that's it. There is nothing to compile, nothing to do. It works very, very simply. So stay tuned, goodbye, and Merry Christmas.